Each week I give each member of my team what I like to call 15 minutes of brain. And why I do that is because if I can give people even 5 to 10 quality minutes of one-on-one consultation to talk about how things are going with their project or how things are going in their life, it can create so much more productivity than if they don't take advantage of that. So what I allow them to do is they use my link, meetme.so/Robert Brathe, and find 3 time slots each week that may work for them, and then I pick a time that works with my calendar. And then we use that time, and I ask them 2 questions. What questions do you have for me? And what updates do you have for me? And then we kind of have a dialogue from there. And I have found with the nearly 200 people we've worked with over the last 4 years through our internship programs, the ones who do the best are the ones who take advantage of that 15 minutes of brain. So I challenge you, find ways that you can meet with your top performers on your team and the people that are your direct reports on a regular basis, because even 15 minutes of brain can make a huge difference.